Hello, today I'm gonna explain a little bit with my partner Carlos how soldering iron works. Basically, a soldering iron is a hand tool used in soldering. It supplies heat to melt solder so that it can flow into the joint between two work pieces. Now that I have already explained what it is, I will mention some of the parts that the soldering iron could have. First of all, the handle, or soldering iron handle. It is the part that is held during use and is generally made of insulating material to protect the user from heat. Second, heating element. This part is located inside the handle and is responsible for heating the tip of the soldering iron. It is composed of resistant wire that heats up when electric current is applied. Number 3, tip of the soldering iron is the metallic part that is heated and comes into contact with the soldering iron. There are different shapes and sizes of the tips depending on the applications that you want to use. 4. Tip holder. It is the support that holds the tip of the soldering iron, allows you to change the tips and in some cases adjust the temperature. Number 5. On-off switch. Some applications have a switch control to control it when it is active. Number 6. The support. It is a base or support that holds the soldering iron when it is not in use. You can also have a sponge to clean up the tip. And number 7 and the last is the temperature control. Some more advanced soldering irons have adjustable temperature control to suit different soldering applications. These parts work together to provide an effective instrument for performing soldering work in electronics and other fields.
The soldering iron is a tool used to solder electronic components. It works by heating a metal tip, usually copper, which is used to melting and join different electrical parts. Tin is a type of soft solder that is it is a moldable metal and very easy to manipulate. It is visible in different diameters and different thicknesses. The melting temperature of tin is usually between 183 and 190 degrees Celsius, but the exact temperature can vary depending on the type of solder and component used. The soldering iron works on the principle of electrical resistance heating. When connected to an electrical current, the internal resistance of the soldering iron generates heat in the metal tip. This tip heat hot enough to melt the solder tin when it comes into contact with it. Molding tin is applied to the parts to be joined, and as it cools, creates a solid electrical and mechanical connection between them. The tip of the soldering iron therefore performs the function of transferring a heat to tin thus facilitating in the soldering process to join electronic components.